I'm News 1130's Peter Wagner reporting from my home in Ferndale, Washington. And you might notice something around my neck here, a bit of a buff, a face covering. Well, starting tomorrow, I'm not allowed to leave home without it. Governor Jay Inslee announcing that masks, face coverings, yes, they are going to be required anytime you are in public in Washington state. Governor Inslee saying this is as a result of case numbers not improving in Washington state. Now here, we've been steadily reopening businesses over the last few weeks in a bit of a phased system, and it's been county by county. But right now, there are some counties where the numbers are getting a little bit out of control. In fact, right here in Whatcom County, right next to the border, right near Vancouver, the county is having trouble keeping up with some of the requirements of opening businesses, of even being able to do all of the necessary contact tracing. So here, cases not necessarily improving. So the governor's saying now all of us have to wear a mask when we are outside. That includes when we're in the store. That includes, by the way, when we are in the parking lot of a store. Some exceptions. I'm in my home right now. I don't have to wear it. If I have a medical exemption, I don't have to wear it. But now that has the force of law for Friday, where it could be a misdemeanor if somebody's caught without a mask. A big contentious issue, though, is that enforcement. Who is going to enforce it? The governor says local law enforcement have the discretion to enforce that. But we've already heard from some law enforcement leaders in Washington expressing some concern about going forward with that. One sheriff, actually a county sheriff, an elected position in the state of Washington, at a bit of a rally, encouraging people not to be sheep ahead of this news about the mask requirement for all of Washington state. So that will be going into effect, and it will remain to be seen whether or not most people are going to be doing it. Anecdotally, over the last few weeks going to the store, I have certainly seen the number of people wearing masks in public dropping, but there are still lots of people wearing those. So we will see how that plays out as the case numbers continue to increase here in Washington state and, well, in the United States as well. For City News in Ferndale, Washington, I'm News 1130's Peter Wagner.